Hello YouTube family, this is Jason Chappelle with another video from Chalises Heavenly Inspired Products. Today's video is all about how to get your beard ready for a job interview or an important event that you may be attending. So just a few things that I'm going to do today to prepare my beard for an event such as this. Anything important that you have going on, you really want to just have your best face, best beard coming first thing that people see. So stick with me and watch this video all the way through. Please subscribe for more videos just like it. Okay, so the first step is to have a clean face. Before you start anything to prepare your beard, your face has to be clean. So what I usually use is either a shaving soap that is going to be safe for the beard, not going to dry you out, or a beard shampoo. Today, since I will be shaving, you can kind of see that I need a little touch up here around my beard line. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be using my shaving soap. Okay, so I've had that soaking in some water, kind of getting prepared anyway for my shave. But I'm just going to take that little shaving bar, rubbing that in my hands, and of course, just a little more water. And I'm just gonna wash my face, okay? Just getting that all in there, scratching that all up. And this is a quick video. Of course, I'm not gonna do the whole thing. I've actually already washed my beard today, washed my face, but here you go. So I'm gonna give this a quick rinse, and then I'll be right back to it, and I'll show you how I prepare the lather that I'm gonna use around my beard. All right, so at this point, I've rinsed out the soap from my beard. I'm ready to apply some lather. And in order to do that, what I'm gonna be using is a shaving brush, shaving soap. The soap is by Chalises Heavenly Inspired, of course. But this shaving brush here, made by Yaqi. It's an acrylic handle, synthetic brush bristles, but it whips up your lather really nice, really easily, and I really like the way that it works. So that's the brush that I'm going to be using, and from the same company, Yaqi, I have one of their razors here. You can see how nice those teeth are. Really nice, clean design. Provides a lot of grip here in the handle, so you're not going to slip. It's not going to slip out of your hand while you're, shaving very sensitive areas. You have a really nice grip for really nice control. And this is a 3-piece design here. Go ahead and load up a brand new blade. If you've watched any of my other videos, you always know that I use a brand new blade every time I shave. That's just a sensitivity thing that I prefer. Prevents things or just overly cautious. I'm not sure which one, but I prefer to use a brand new blade. This blade here is from Persona. I use them for several years now. I really like them. They not a really aggressive shave, so it doesn't cause irritation from being too close. A lot of people use like the Feather brand, but they have a really sharp blade, really aggressive close cut, and that's just not what I prefer. Black men especially have sensitivity, and we don't want a very close shave where the hair ends up under the skin. So just for comfort level, smooth shaving, I use the Persona blade, and it works really well along with the Yaqi razor, safety razors. So I'm going to go ahead and put my razor into my hot water that I have in my sink. I'm going to go ahead and continue to whip up a little lather here, and gonna re-whip my face real quick and then apply the lather. And of course, I'm not shaving my beard off. I'm just doing a little trim around it, around my neck, get that nice and clean. And around my lip, top part here. That's all I'm going to be doing. So Nothing crazy, no surprises. I've been growing my beard since around Thanksgiving time. I'm going to continue the journey of growing my beard. So let's get started with the shave. All right, so I'm getting ready to shave now. I've already prepared my blade. Got that soaking in water, my Yaqi razor here. I already have my lather worked up. Wet face, gonna work some lather just in this area that I'm gonna shave here. Nothing crazy. All right, nothing crazy at all here. Nice lather. And I'm still not gonna mess with this area here. I wanna see how that feels in actually. Not sure if that's gonna close up for me, if it's gonna get thick enough for it to actually close that gap that I have. I've got two little areas here where the hair just doesn't really grow that well, but it has been filling in as it grows. So I'm gonna leave that alone and just let that grow. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a real quick, get you ready for an interview, get you ready for a wedding, you know, whatever event you have going on. So let's get started. Really nice and easy. Just gonna be going down with the grain. Flip that over. Short strokes is all I'm really going for here. Nothing crazy. Light pressure. You don't want to apply too much pressure. You're not trying to push the blade into your skin. Just let it do its job. The weight alone of the blade, of the razor, the weight of the razor really does the job for you. And pulling the skin allows you to get a nicer line, more crispy line. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. Just pull a little bit at the skin, hold that tight. It really allows that line to be a little more crisp. Just a little cleanup. So I'm just gonna get under my neck. I know a lot of people will come from here and come down. I actually like coming from the bottom up. Whatever works for your skin and your hair growth is really what you want to do here. Everybody's hair does not grow in the same direction, so you can't really judge. I'm gonna go down on this side just to see. See, for me, this is against the grain. This is actually smoother. So you want to go with whatever direction is the smoothest, the one that doesn't have any pull against your hair. Just going right up to that line where the neck meets the chin. And for a touch-up shave like this, I'm only going to do the one pass. No reason for me to go for a second pass. If anything, just kind of wipe that line with your finger if you want to touch up anything. But no reason to lather up again. None at all. I like what I got here. That is enough for me. So what I want to do for now is just clean this up, rinse it off. We're going to apply a little aftershave. Will be next. And then after the aftershave, we're going to go into the styling of the beard. So stay tuned. Okay, so now I've rinsed my beard. It's still wet, so what I want to do I'm just gonna take my hands on a drying cloth. And if you've seen any of my other videos, this is how I always dry my face and my beard. Is use my hands and pull that water out and put my hands on a towel and dry it that way. I don't want to put the towel directly on my face. Again, I don't want to introduce anything else to my face. Even though my towel is clean, it still has lint and things that I don't want to put directly on my face. So getting my face nice and dry. You know, it's not completely dry, of course, but that water's not just sitting on there. So now what I want to do, again, is grab my aftershave. I'm going to spray that into my hands and kind of take care of that. Just want to find the right one, find the one I wanted to use. So Herbal Essentials, Chalises Heavenly Inspired. This is with witch hazel. Try that again. Okay, so witch hazel, aftershave. Time for a refill. Time for some more. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. So, as you can tell, it's not a brand new bottle. I use these products. I use these products and I use them a lot. Every day I'm using something from Chalises Heavenly Inspired. I love them. I love the scents. I love the way it makes my skin feel. Just enjoy them. I really do. So that's the aftershave. That is done. Nothing really to that. So what do you do next? How do you style your beard? How do you keep the moisture in it? How do you keep it manageable? So for that, what I use is a shea butter. I use a shea butter right now. There's a lot of different beard butters. You can go on the website and find some beard, products as well. This is something I like to use. I'm not going to use a lot of it, but this is all I'm putting in my beard. Just that. So that's the first thing. It's not the only thing. I have beard oil that I use. I'm not going to use that right now. I did use some earlier the first time I took care of my beard today. But I'm just going to work this in. This is a leather scent. I don't know if you saw it when I held it up there, but this is scented leather. This was actually a special order for myself. But Chalises Heavenly Inspired leather scented shea butter. And again, there's beard oil. Also, let me show you the bottle. Now I'm going to show you this. I couldn't find it. Guess why I couldn't find it? It's empty. It's pretty much empty. I can't even get anything out of here anymore. Actually, yeah, it's empty. There goes a little drop. There's a little drop in there. I've used it up. I love the beard oil. I have some other beard oils, but I'm going with the leather scent right now. So that's why I'm not going to put a different beard oil in right now, because I'm out of the actual leather scented beard oil. So not done with the beard though. So it's not really tangled, but I'm going to take a wooden comb. I'm going to comb from under first. And it's a wide tooth side and a smaller tooth side. So Using the wide tooth first from the bottom. And the smaller tooth. It's not tangled at all right now, of course, but this is the process that I use. If there are any tangles, you would be able to get those out. So you can comb that back down. Combing down right now is not important because I'm not done. Last step for me, last product to use for me is Beard Balm. Leather scented. So you can get the whole line, everything you need for your beard, you can get in one scent. That way, you know, you're consistent, you're not mixing things up, not confusing the scent. So anybody can walk up to you and know, hey, you got on leather. And that's what's important. That's, to me, you know, being able to match those things up, not having 5 different scents on. So, or 3 different products, 3 different scents. I have 3 products in 1 scent. That's about the amount that I'm going to use. Should be enough. Just work that in. And I overdo it sometimes. So I'm not going to start with that amount. Now, if you look, it's shining, it's good. You know, that's enough, but I'm going to do a little more. Doesn't hurt anything. The reason why it doesn't hurt anything is because I wash my beard. I wash my face. It's not going to clog any pores up. You know, by using too much product, you're not worried about that because you're going to keep your beard clean. You're going to wash it. You're going to prevent bumps by washing. The other thing that's really nice is this is all natural product. So I'm not worried about what I'm putting on my face, what I'm putting on my beard. It's not going to dry me out. It's not going to irritate me. It's just a nice natural product. I'm looking at the ingredients right now. That's what I'm, you know, kind of looking at. And it's shea butters, beeswax for that hold, apricot oil, cocoa butter. You have hemp seed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, argan. The argan is important. I like that one. Almond oil, and of course the leather scent is what I have in here. So yeah, so that's the last product to use. So now you can comb through one last time, and what you're going to do with that is just getting that nice smooth look that you want. You can kind of comb that edge line out. But yeah, just don't forget the mustache. You see I kind of flip it out at the bottom. You can, depending on what you want to do. My beard's not that long right now. You can kind of see the length that I have on it. If I comb it up here, you can kind of see that. But I like to kind of flip it out at the end. Gives a little more volume. But look at it. Look how straight it is. I've never had my beard this straight. Tangle free most of the time, as long as I take care of it. Remains that way. Tangle free, nice and straight. For a curly beard, this is pretty straight. That's all I have. Those are my steps for the beard. I'm gonna do another video, maybe, on how I brush my hair and prepare as well. But stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos. I have a lot of them. Not really, but I have a few videos that are really good. A lot more to come. Stick with me. The more you subscribe, the more videos I can provide to you. So please subscribe, and you can find the products that I use on chalises.com. You can also find me on Instagram.